We chillin', yeah, we chillin', yeah, we chillin', with the Chisholms, with the Chisholms, yeah, we chillin' with the Chisholms.
Hello everybody, we're about to open our gifts from our first baby shower, okay? So in this bag right here, we got some stuff from Teresa Lot. We got some wipes. Okay. And we got some diapers, okay? We also got a card. Let's open the card.
Alright.
It says, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Got a gift card.
Giggles to enchant you, smiles to bring you joy. What could be more special than a precious baby boy? Congratulations. God bless you always. Thank you.
Alright, the next one. This one was from Paula. Ooh. Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, the little
onesies.
dogs. Yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah, with the little dogs on them.
And we got the
matching mittens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Paula.
Thank you.
Okay, this one was from.
A new little love has stepped into your life. You'll learn the joy a new sun brings. You'll fill your home with baby things. This little boy, so small and sweet, will make your family life complete. Congratulations on your baby boy. So, Siobhan Barrow.
Yes.
Thank you. It's a nice card.
Let's see what this is.
Right. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Okay. These
It's a whole little wardrobe.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
Oh,
That's
wow,
cute.
with the dinosaurs.
Okay,
little pajama set with a hoodie. Yeah, or like Long John sets. Okay.
that's cute.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
And all of these are our sorors so far. So thank you, sorors. Okay, who is this from? Oh, this is from a family friend, Elise.
The best surprises come in tiny sizes. Just a little something to welcome your new baby. Happy shower. Congratulations. Thank you.
We got this cute blue blanket.
Oh yeah, it feels very nice.
Now that's for a manual now. Okay, that's a bib.
And a teether. It's a bib slash teether. Yeah.
Okay, and these are some bibs.
Okay.
I love mom, I love Nana, I love daddy.
Okay.
And we got some onesies.
Oh, so, yeah, I like those.
Thank you. Okay. This one is from another soror. I think Kathy. We got some onesies.
Oh, Sweet Home Alabama. Okay. Okay, a Heart Alabama.
Southern baby.
Right.
And
some Pampers.
Pampers.
Gotta have those.
Thank you.
Thank you so
and
much.
We got one more.
All right.
This one is from Teresa Agnew.
Okay.
Oh, got
Got a little sheeps.
bedtime blanket.
Yeah.
Got a teaser.
Yeah. The water teeter.
We got a nail care kit.
Okay.
And we got a little bath
Oh,
sponge.
yeah. It's like a little
sponge
baby
pad.
loofah.
It's cute.
Oh, it's cute. I like this.
You gonna be playing.
Y'all got me. Look.
All right, we just got a custom gift in the mail. Okay, so we wanted to show it to you all right? You gonna take all the paper out?
Yes. So this is from Aunt Celeste. So let me get all the paper back out. Yeah. It's the little bow that was on the top. And so it is. Oh, I got it upside down. It's a handmade blanket.
Look at that.
You got everything on there.
And on the
And
other
on
side.
the other side, it's like this.
So this
With
could
the
be
alphabet.
this could be a learning blanket. It could be a lot of different things.
Yes.
So this is beautiful.
We love it. Thank you so much. Oh man.
Jarel gonna be laying up under this here.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
This is beautiful.
I'm about to lay it on me right now. I'm just fine.
This is for Emmanuel, not you.
It's comfortable too.
It is. It's soft. Ooh.
It's perfect.
So thank you so much, Aunt Celeste. We love it. And Emmanuel was gonna love it too.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much, everybody who came to our first baby shower and gave us gifts on the registry as well. We will post the link in case anybody else wants to send us anything. And we'll see y'all at the next one.
We chillin', yeah, we chillin', yeah, we chillin', oh, we chillin', oh, yeah, we chillin', oh, yeah, we chillin', with the Chillin', with the Chillin', with the Chillin', with the Chillin', yeah, we chillin' with